Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews and recommendations. Today, we've got something special for all you DIY enthusiasts and automotive enthusiasts out there. We're diving into the Krylon K05541007 COLORmaxx spray paint and primer, a product that's making waves in the world of spray paint. Stick around to find out why this might just be the best spray paint for your car. First things first, let's get acquainted with the Krylon K05541007 COLORmaxx spray paint and primer. This product comes in a beautiful sun yellow shade and offers a glossy finish that's perfect for a car's exterior. Just look at this sleek design. It's got a 12-ounce can, which is perfect for various DIY and automotive projects. But what really sets it apart? Now, let's talk about the standout features that make this spray paint a must-have. The Krylon COLORmaxx spray paint and primer is designed for both indoor and outdoor use. It's not just for cars. You can use it on wood, metal, plastics, glass, and even ceramics. So, whether you're working on your car's body or giving a new life to your home decor, this spray paint has you covered. One of the key concerns with automotive spray paint is rust. But fear not. This product offers indoor and outdoor rust protection. It's like armor for your car, ensuring longevity and durability. The Krylon COLORmaxx comes with an easy push big button spray tip, allowing you to spray from any angle, even upside down. It's user-friendly and time-efficient. No one wants to wait forever for their paint to dry. This spray paint dries to the touch in just 20 minutes or less, which is perfect for getting those projects done swiftly. The COLORmaxx series offers a wide variety of colors to choose from, so you can easily find the perfect shade for your car or any other project. Now, let's see how this spray paint performs in real-life situations. We've got a car panel here, and we're going to put the Krylon K05541007 COLORmaxx to the test. As you can see, the spray is smooth, and the color is vibrant. It adheres well to the surface, and that glossy finish really gives it a professional touch. Plus, it's designed to cover up to 25 square feet with just one 12-ounce can. But don't just take our word for it. Let's see what customers have to say about this product. The Krylon COLORmaxx has received rave reviews from customers. Many praise its performance, color quality, and ease of use. It's a favorite for various projects, including car painting. In conclusion, the Krylon K05541007 COLORmaxx spray paint and primer is a standout product in the world of automotive spray paints. With its versatility, rust protection, and easy application, it's a top choice for car enthusiasts and DIYers alike. So, if you're looking to give your car a fresh, glossy coat or tackle any other project, the Krylon COLORmaxx might just be the best spray paint for the job. That's all for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. And remember, when it comes to spray paint, Krylon has your back. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.